showing you my mug today, and I promise you I will not speak that long because nobody needs to see this, because we want to see this. And what this is beef short ribs, and we are gonna smoke these beauties. We've done them sous vide, we've done them smoked, love them both ways. Today we're gonna smoke them, and we're gonna show you a quick video point of view from over top like we have been doing for our art of plating videos, because we are gonna incorporate that into this. Mixing barbecue with fancy, and it's gonna be a blast. So be sure to let me know what you think of this video in the comments below. If you got some things that you do or some special rub that you like to use on your beef short ribs in particular, drop in the comment below, because I'm always open to learning new things. That's what smoking's all about. It's never perfect, it's never the same twice, and it can always be better.